Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to film a do-it-yourself makeup remover. It's probably the easiest do-it-yourself makeup remover you've ever seen. It only has one ingredient and it's super cheap and easy to do. So I just wanted to show you that now. So the ingredient that I use is coconut oil, and it is organic virgin coconut oil. This is the brand. I'm sure you could use any other coconut oil, but I'll link this one if you're interested in it. So I have a full face of makeup on now. I just put a scoop or so in here. This is more than enough for, this is many uses. And my favorite thing to do is to store this in my shower and just do it in the shower. That's the easiest. Coconut oil has lots of benefits to it. Its really main one is that it's antibacterial, so it's great to use on the eye area because it's killing all the bacteria from your mascara or any makeup or debris on your face, and it takes everything off super easy. You might find that it leaves an oily-ish residue. I have dry skin, so I leave that on, but you could also cleanse after too. So I'll just show you how I do it. So normally I would do it in the shower, but for this video, I'll just use a warm cloth and the coconut oil. So first I'll just remove my eyelashes because I have eyelashes on. Move those off, and I'll show you on one side of my face just so you can compare the difference. So I'm just taking the smallest little bit amount and I just move it around in my hands until it becomes liquid. In the shower, you wouldn't have to do this. It would just turn liquid just from the heat of the shower, and I just find it super easy to do in the shower. I love doing it in there, and it's super affordable, super easy. Most people have coconut oil at home, and makeup remover pads can be super expensive, so I just find that it's like an affordable makeup remover if you're in a pinch, or if you just like a more natural makeup remover, you'd probably like it too. So I'm just kind of rubbing it all over my eyes. And rubbing it all around, and you can see the difference because I just did it on one side of my face. So see how much even the lipstick comes off? So it's quite a lot, and then obviously you'd want to wash it away with this towel like I will, and in the shower it's so easy too. So there's the warm towel here. And I've used this for years, especially when I was a student because I was on a really tight budget. So I find that it actually hydrates my eyelashes and makes them grow longer too. So there's the difference between the two sides. Make sure you just get everything off. So as you can see, it takes off everything really well. I just have really dark circles under my eyes. That's just my eyes. It's not the makeup or anything left. And then I'll just do the same thing all over. So here's the final look with all of my makeup off. So as you can see, it removed everything: liquid lipstick, liquid eyeliner, contour, makeup, like every little drop. And this darkness under my eyes is that's just the way my eyes are pigmented. It's not any makeup left over. So try this if you're interested, and comment below if it worked out well for you. It is a bit oily. I just leave this on my skin because I have dry skin, but if you don't like that feeling, just go in with another cleanser after, and it really just takes everything off. I find it's really effective, and with continued use, you'll find your eyelashes seem really hydrated and grow really well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel if you like the content. I would love to see you in my next videos. I'll be posting every week. Thank you, and have a great day.